guys, David Peterson, publicdomainphotography.com. Today I'm going to show you how to blend a text and fill that text with an image in Photoshop CS6. So first of all, select your text tool, type what you want to type. We'll go with clouds because we're working with clouds. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Make the image the size that is suitable for your needs. Open the background layer by double clicking on it. I always just give them a quick name when I can. Drag the clouds text below this layer. Option on a Mac, on a PC it's Alt. In between the lines you'll see this box come. Click there. You can see now you've got the clouds as you want them, and then just click Control Shift Alt on a PC and press E, and there you have your layer ready to use as you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.